Nifty indicators, it's easy to make money. It's easy to make money when we are well prepared. I don't know about you, but I spend at least 8 to 10 hours post market hours preparing for tomorrow. That's why I believe it is easy to make money. I'm not telling that you need to spend that kind of time, but you need to prepare. Whether it is 1 hour, 5 hour or 10 hour is left to you. And again, it's my belief, although it is not directly proportionate, it is proportionate to the time that we spend studying the market moves. And that belief has stood me in good stead. So today we have seen how the levels will really help, because up to 3 o'clock or so, the market was moving one way up, and after gaining more than 100 points, 150 points, almost it lost all of it in next 15 to 30 minutes. And at that particular time, only the savior is using the levels as the stop loss. That's where the stop loss and the support levels come in. So please look at the levels and use them as resistance and support levels. Today I'm also showing, of course, there are only 2 more trading sessions before this weekly and monthly expiry, and only 1 more day after that. There's only 3 more days from today in this fiscal. So it's important we have a look at how each and every individual Nifty 50 stock has performed over last 1 year. Just have a look at it. First, let us see, as usual, important indicators of Bank Nifty for last 1 month. This is important indicators of Nifty 50 for past 1 month. And here it comes. These are the performances of all the Nifty 50 stocks over past 1 year. This is the first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divi's Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance. And this is the last page, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. And mind you, of the 50 Nifty 50 stocks components, 27 are performing negatively since 1st of April 2022. That is, in this fiscal, 27 of the Nifty 50 stocks are still in red. How this will affect and how the fund managers will manage their NAVs. NAV stands for net asset values. So I don't know how they will show their NAVs and how they will coax the investors to come to mutual funds if NAVs are negative. So there are 3 more days in the current fiscal. Let us see what they will do. And then we are here, the last session of the last part of our session, that is levels, pivot points, support and resistance levels of all Nifty 50 stocks for tomorrow. This is the first page, Adani Enterprises to Coal India. This is the second page, Divis Lab to IndusInd Bank. This is the third page, Infosys to Reliance, and this is the last page, SBI Life Insurance to Wipro. Nifty and Bank Nifty included in this. And as expected, Friday's to be closed stocks, two major stocks, Infosys and Reliance, have got out of that 52-week low band, and they have slowly started moving up. Let's hope that they will move much further up and give us something to cheer. Before I end, let me remind you, please watch all the earlier videos that will help you learn quite a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.